Alright people, I'm going to do a quick screencast-o-matic here because Zoom wasn't working for Anna and Xander wasn't there. So real quick today, your lesson, two parts. Bell work question is how do you make a page landscape? So landscape means you make the paper left to right instead of up and down. So when you're in Google Docs, how do you make a paper landscape? And I went over that the other day, but I'll tell you anyhow. Go to File, Page Setup, and select Landscape. So File, Page Setup, select Landscape, and that is the answer to your Bell question. So make sure you know how to do that. All right, up here we have a copy and paste lesson today. So it should not look too difficult to you to do. I'm going to shrink this down here. You are going to do one page of text that says it is not hard to copy and paste. This font size and style should be permanent marker, size 29, and blue text. Alright, so you want it to be that font size and style. You want to do one exact page of this. Alright, so I'm going to show you real quick how to do that. There is just 1 second here. There is usually like 3 different ways to do copy and paste. And I'm going to go over those 3 ways real quick here. So I'm going to go ahead and delete most of this one here. Scroll up for me slowly. Come on. Alright, so I'm going to delete this. Alright, so I am to one page right now of it is not hard to copy and paste. Right? I'm one line of that, and you can see it's permanent marker, size 29, blue text. So what I want to do is I want to highlight this text and I want to copy it. So 3 different ways to copy it. I can right click on it and hit copy. And then I'm going to move my cursor down to the next line right there, and I'm going to right click on it and hit paste. So that's one way to do it. So that gives me 2 lines. I can highlight these both. The second time I can go edit, copy, and again I can click down here at the end of this word and hit enter down to the next line, and I can go edit, paste. So that gives me 4 lines. Alright, I'm going to shrink this down here so I can see the whole page. I'm going to highlight all 4 of these. I can also use the keyboard shortcuts, which on your computer probably is Control C, but on mine it's Command C. So I hit Command C, that makes a copy of it, and then I'm going to hit Command V, and that is going to paste it. All right, so those are called keyboard shortcuts. So you can use right click, edit, or the Control/Command options. So we want to have exactly one page here. All right, so I'm just going to paste maybe 4 more, and 4 more. And you can see it messed up here, so I'm going to go ahead and delete these ones here. I don't have quite a whole page, so I'm going to highlight 2 of them. I'm going to right click copy, go down here, right click paste, and looks like I have exactly a full page. Yep, I do. So I have exactly 1 page. Then this would be done. And that is all you need to do today. So just exploring the different ways how to copy and paste. All right. So make sure you get that done. Submit that. Easy assignment today. Do a little bit of typing, answer that bell work, and you're good to go. All right. Have a good day. Bye.